China's commodity price index reached a 10-year high last month, which has industrial product manufacturers reeling. Bulk commodities are the main source of materials for industrial production, and when their prices go up, so do costs for enterprises. The production manager of an electronic products maker in Shenzhen City says the price of tin has skyrocketed since the beginning of this year.
Last year, the price for tin bars was about $25 per kilogram. Now it is about $32 per kilogram.
Faced with the increasing prices, upstream and downstream firms are trying to work together. The founder of a 3D tech firm says they've had to cooperate and coordinate with suppliers to create mutually beneficial arrangements.
We can make payments before delivery. After thorough discussions and communications, suppliers can prepare inventory in advance and supply goods in time without increasing prices when we need goods.
The prices for other basic raw materials used in industrial manufacturing, like copper, iron, and aluminum, are also surging.